So a lot of people ask me, now you wouldn't believe it, but something as simple as a compressor in your recovery kit is essential. Now, I don't even know why we're having this conversation, because experienced four-wheel drivers wouldn't leave home without it. Because you think about it, if you can't let the air out of your tyres and get yourself out of the bog, what are you going to do? Mate, if I were you, something as simple as having a 12-volt compressor can make all the difference. See, the thing is, you could drop the air out of your tyres, travel down the beach. The tide's way out now, so you're now driving on hard sand. You've got to pump the tyres back up, otherwise you're going to damage your tyre. Then you get there, you get to your campsite, and you've got to go through a cutting to get there, and then up another cutting. So bang, you've got to drop the air out again. So imagine if you didn't have a compressor. What, are you going to just have the air in your tyres at full noise the whole time? Mate, you're not even going to get to your camp. So the old compressor should be high on your recovery checklist.